What's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is how to get fired on your first day. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here. Hopefully this is a good one.
Officers respond to a gas station where a semi-truck is blocking gas pumps.
All right, ma'am, they want you trespassing the property. They don't want you to leave, so let up the stuff.
Sir, I just told him I'm leaving. The person that's doing this, he's right here in this truck. He called y'all for no reason.
All right.
That's all I'm saying.
You're saying you're leaving, but I'm not saying you loading up the beer.
Sir, you're not gonna sit up here coming talking to me like that when I just told you Pepin is pulling up. The dude right here. So y'all gonna stop yelling at me like I
If you don't shut up, I'll just put you in handcuffs.
No, you're gonna shut up when you yelling at me, bro.
I'm not yelling.
You are just yelled at me for no reason when I just said Pepin is pulled up.
So
no, let's rewind it now. Let's rewind it. I think she's the one that started raising her voice first. Now the cop said, he said something real slick real quick, you know what I'm saying? Like, you supposed to be leaving, might as well be packing up or whatever he said. But I don't think he yelled it though.
That's all I'm saying.
You're saying you're leaving, but I'm not saying you loading up the beer.
Sir, you're not gonna sit up here coming talking to me like that when I just told you Pepin is pulling up. The dude right here. So y'all gonna stop yelling at me like I just
If you don't shut up, I'll just put you in handcuffs.
No, you're gonna shut up when you yelling at me, bro.
I'm not yelling.
You are just yelled at me for no reason when I just said Pepin is pulled up.
So either you
calm down. Yell at him, John.
Let's diffuse.
Did I just yell at him, John?
Okay, let's diffuse.
Come on, bro, but you gonna put me in handcuffs because I'm upset? Y'all didn't even ask me what the fuck happened.
Okay.
This dude just ran up in my face.
Yanni,
let's trespass. It's private property.
So he can do what he want to do?
Yeah. It's
so
time
I
to
can
leave.
run up on anybody's face because I own property?
Ma'am, we're not going to get into that.
Man, whatever, bro. Y'all take this fucking go, bro. This is some bullshit.
Yanni, let's go back in the truck.
No, bro.
Yanni.
That's your last warning. Load it up and go.
Warning for what?
You're trespassing.
Leaving.
You're trespassing.
Man, that's bullshit, bro.
Sit in the truck.
But y'all always take a cop side, bro. That's bullshit. This man has ran up my face. You see how big that man is? But they're supposed to be here for protection. That's why I don't fuck with cops.
Ready?
That's bullshit, bro.
Keep moving. When they get her moving.
We're not here for a delivery.
We'll get it back.
Bro.
Need to hurry up.
But if she keeps doing this.
I know. So who called the cops? You or her, or
What's that?
who called you guys?
The manager himself.
See, because with all that yelling and stuff like that, that could easily turn into disorderly. If people are around and stuff like that, she does have to calm it down. I can understand her being upset. We all kind of get upset and stuff like that, especially, if something drastic happens, and this is why we got to switch gears a little bit. Hey everyone, I want to take a moment to talk about Aura, the sponsor of today's video. It's no secret that data breaches are becoming more frequent and more dangerous. In 2024, we've seen Dell hit with a data breach, exposing over 49 million customer records, sensitive material that should never have been accessible. Ticketmaster also fell victim, with over 560 million records compromised. And the most shocking to me, National Public Data, which suffered a breach so massive it likely affected every American. Hackers didn't just steal the information, they posted it online for free. It's clear that our personal data is more valuable than ever. That's why I rely on Aura to protect me. Aura continuously monitors your personal information, everything from your social security number to your bank accounts, scanning billions of data points across the dark web. If they detect anything suspicious, like signs of identity theft, you'll get real-time alerts. But it doesn't stop there. With Aura, they also give you up to $5 million in identity theft protection insurance. It's peace of mind for worst case scenarios. And they don't just monitor your data. They also provide tools to secure your online activity. All in one easy to use app. Protect yourself today by heading over to my link at aura.com/shy. You can try Aura completely free for 14 days. I bet during that trial, Aura will uncover if your personal data has already been exposed on the dark web. Don't wait until it's too late. Start protecting yourself today.
I need you to hurry up, bro, so I can go.
Yanni, he's going to take you back to the warehouse. I'm going to take the truck back.
Man, f*** you. He's sitting up here and Tyson shit. Are you going to arrest him? No. He's sitting there smiling and shit. You don't know, bro. You
Sergeant's right
I
there.
want a sergeant. I want a different sergeant here. I'm not talking to neither one of y'all.
Then you didn't get in that truck.
I want a police report about
didn't
this.
get in that truck.
Because he's harassing me.
No, you're harassing everybody.
Can I have a police report?
We'll give you a request.
Mom, look how he, look at this, Mom. Bro, can you take my phone? Can you take my phone? No, let me go, bro. No, look at this, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
You watching this, right?
Put
You
your
watching
hands
this,
behind
right?
your back.
You see how he
You're resisting.
How am I resisting when he has
Because
my
you
arms
won't put your
behind my
hands
back?
behind your back.
That's not her resisting.
You just made a bad day worse.
I didn't do shit, bro. Why are you pulling my arms behind my back, bro? My arms are behind my back.
You are resisting.
How am I resisting when my arms are behind my back? Can you call my mom?
Still resisting.
I'm not. I'm telling him to call my mom.
We'll take care of that. We'll come over when
Why are you being rough with me, bro? John, I need badge numbers. John, take pictures of this shit, bro. Take pictures of this, bro. That's bullshit. There's nothing in that pocket but paper. So you want first to pay?
I don't get it, man. Ugh. Man, oh man. You know, logistics takes everybody, right? And I'm gonna go on a little tangent here, right? Logistics takes anybody, you know, whether you're a felon or not or anything. But the thing is that when you're representing a company like how she is, you should always conduct yourself to a higher standard. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, that's your job. You know, I can understand you being upset. Things happen, but you still have to conduct yourself in a professional manner. And the way that she's acting, whether she's in the right or the wrong, which technically she's in the wrong because they want her trespass and she ain't moving. That's point blank, period. They want her trespass, she ain't moving. So she's in the wrong. So all that hooting and hollering and yada, this and that, you shouldn't be doing all of that. Really, honestly. Just conduct yourself in a professional manner, you know? It's good. She got a little CDL license. She doing a little routes. You know, I'm like, okay. Young chick, you know, she get to the back. Okay. But all of this, nah, man. You just jeopardized your job. Now is that company going to want you back? You know, after you embarrassed them? Probably not.
Pat me down just then. A female supposed to do that. A female supposed to pat me down.
are told to leave over and over again. All you do is run your mouth.
He just pulled my headphone out.
Yeah, get in
He
the
just
car.
pulled my headphone out, man. Come on, bruh.
You ever been arrested before?
No.
And no, a female isn't supposed to pat you down. That's only if one is available and stuff like that. But a guy can pat you down. They just got to use the opposite side of their hand.
Can you fix that? It's like pulling on my skin.
Yeah.
What's her first name?
Yanni.
You ever had issues like this before with her?
No, not like this.
What's her date of birth, you know?
Her date? I don't know any of her information on that. I can call HR and find that out,
What
but
about middle initial?
I don't know that.
Let's see if I can get it off of this.
Yeah.
All it is a trespass warning. You need to leave. Oh my goodness, that is so hard to deal with it.
Can I talk to her?
John, call my mom, John.
No, she's being too belligerent.
John, call my mom.
Can I
John.
please get at least the
John, call my
information
mom.
for her mom?
No, she hasn't done anything for me to
John,
be
call my
right?
mom,
So
John.
I'm done. Go
John,
back
call
over
my
there.
mom.
I don't like people standing behind me.
Yanni, what's your mom's phone number?
John, get my phone from him.
What is your mom's phone number?
Back up.
813-81. You're a jackass, bro. My phone ain't supposed to be in here.
I just love how you know how everything's supposed to
He
work.
just asked me, he said, do you want your phone or do you want me to give it to them? I said, give it to them. And you gonna have me sit in the hot air?
Is there somebody?
Put my ears in there.
That's okay. You're not there.
Oh my God, I swear to God, I'm gonna sue the fuck out of y'all, bro. I swear to God, y'all better be ready for this shit.
We're locating over to Fifth Third, babe.
Straight bullshit. Where I told you to give them my phone.
You don't tell me to do anything. Let's
Then
get
why
that
ask?
point.
Why did you ask me then?
My
'Cause it's my
sergeant
rights.
asked you.
That's my rights.
Okay.
And you should have put it where I asked you to.
Okay.
But you want to arrest me so bad. That's what you wanted to do.
Okay.
Okay. You jackass. I hate you cops, bro. I hate y'all. Patted me down. It's supposed to be a woman that patted me down.
Okay.
Okay. And you know that. That's why it's okay. Jackass.
Hello?
Female's coming.
All right, bye.
Oh, now a female's coming. Well, a female should have been there in the first place.
Okay.
Hey, I just got to search you real quick.
You say you have to do what?
Search you?
He already did.
Okay, I'm
That's why he's trying to
again.
call you now, Mama. 'Cause I just told him a woman's supposed to search me. He just searched me.
Okay, I'm gonna search you again. Okay, do you have anything on
So
you?
you're gonna search me again, and he just searched me. So y'all trying to make it look good. That's why he got me in the back of the middle of nowhere for you to search me.
It's on camera.
So I'm letting the camera know he just searched me, and now he just called a random woman. Well, I'm not gonna say random woman. A female cop. They come search me.
Men are allowed to search females.
Can you show them where we at?
Yeah, men are allowed to search females.
Since when?
Since always.
So why am I being searched again?
I'm gonna search you again. Okay, can you step out of the car for me, please?
This is y'all some backwards ass cops, bro. Why am I being searched?
See, told you. They can search you. You know, the men can search women. Like, I don't know where this came about where, you know, only women can search women and stuff like that. That's no.
I don't have nothing on me. I'm at work.
Perfect. I hope you don't, but I'm gonna double check.
This is crazy as bro. There's nothing on me.
Okay, I'm gonna please.
This is real uncomfortable, bro.
Yeah, it's.
But I'm being searched for no reason. This is crazy.
I'm sure he already explained to you, but if you have anything on you and you go into jail, it's a felony, okay? So,
he ain't explain none of that to me because he's an asshole cop.
Okay.
He ain't explain nothing to me. This is real crazy, bro.
So if you do have anything on you that I don't find, let me know, because if you go into jail with something on you, it's
I don't have nothing on me.
I know, I don't think you do, but I
drive trucks. I don't have shit on me.
Okay, I just want you to know, that's all. Just to prevent you from getting into anything further than whatever's going on, okay? You can have a seat.
Can I ask you a question?
What's up?
Because I can't talk to him. Every time I try to ask him a question, he shuts the fucking door in my face.
Okay, what's up?
When he asked me to give my property to someone, which is my cell phone that's ringing right here, I said, can you give it to the people at my job? They were there. Mm-hmm. He slammed the door in my face and my phone's right here. Okay. So what the how is he able to do shit like this?
It's just gonna go in your property at the jail.
That's if you were gonna ask me where I want my property when I had my you know, I'm just upset right now.
I got you.
My coworkers there, why couldn't you give them my phone? My book bag is in the truck, all that, so why couldn't you give them my phone?
I don't know.
So why ask and shut the door in my face? But it's okay for him to do that?
To shut the door?
No, come on now. You get what I'm trying. You get what I'm saying.
I mean,
that's your coworker. You try
to go with you.
Huh?
Your property usually goes with you.
If I told him to give it to someone else, I say I can get. All I need is 2 phone numbers.
They may have changed their mind, something like that.
So that's okay to be a jackass.
It's probably better that you have it with you.
No, I don't want it because I don't want it in there with me. No, I just need 2 phone numbers and I was good.
It's with you now, so it's gonna stay with you now. But it gets
how when I can't answer my phone.
I mean, it doesn't stay on your person, but it stays in property.
So I can't have a phone call right now.
Not right now. No. When you get there, you can.
So my family don't even know what's going on. That's why they're trying to call me.
Okay.
They don't know where y'all taking me.
Okay.
So nobody can answer the phone, and I tell them where I'm going.
When you go to jail and you get booked in, they'll let you get numbers out of your phone, and then you can make a phone call.
This shit's f***ed up, bro. The way y'all make this shit sound so simple is fucking not, bro. Especially dealing with assholes like him.
It's pretty simple. I mean,
like, come on, man. You're more talking to me and calm and understanding than his ass is. You don't understand that, bro. Because you don't know what happened.
I don't.
I just had a dude his size come running up in my face.
If I'm matching
but since he called the cops, I'm arrested though.
Sit down.
Come on now.
Right, have a seat.
Like, come on,
we can't change any of that right now. So
it ain't nothing to change. It's just a point.
Put your feet in.
And y'all some fucked up ass people, bro.
I mean, they didn't want you on the property, from what I heard. So that's how we got here.
That's all you heard, right?
Yeah,
that's not the story.
That's all I know right now.
That's not the story.
But just because you're going, it doesn't mean you're guilty.
Huh?
It doesn't mean you're guilty just because you're going.
So how does that work? This is my first time going through some shit like this.
You'll go. I don't know what the charge is. Like I said, I'm just here to search you. You'll have first appearance, maybe.
Well, I bet next time she might have a calmer demeanor when dealing with police. Not saying they right, wrong, whatever, but one thing that I can tell you is hooting and hollering and yelling and carrying on like that, being unprofessional, isn't going to necessarily work in your favor.
Today, I'm not going to tell you for sure because I don't know. Generally, it's by Zoom, like FaceTime, something like that. Whatever the charge is, they may say, yeah, you can bond out. No, you got to hold bond. I don't know what your history is. I don't know what the charge is. Felony, misdemeanor, anything like that. See the judge, see what they say. It's up to them from there.
So I'm sitting in a jail cell right now.
Yeah, so you're gonna go. They're gonna search you again. You're gonna go through medical. They're gonna ask you a bunch of questions. They'll have you sit down in a row for a little bit, and then get you booked in. Go hang out like a community pod area until you get your first appearance time. It's early right now, so I'm assuming that you'll be able to see them today. I just don't want to guarantee you because I don't know what the schedule is like today.
So it won't be like till Monday.
No, they have them on Saturdays too. It honestly just kind of depends on what the charge is and that kind of stuff. He drops you off and then you're good to go.
Okay.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna close this up so you can get going. Yeah. Today.
You're resisting. You're resisting. But I'm 4 feet tall. You telling me I'm resisting you? You're a weirdo.
Step out.
Gladly.
Walking over here.
Oh, now you being gentle? Because you got cameras around you, now you being gentle?
I had a camera
That's
the
what
whole
that
time.
is? You being gentle now, that's what that is.
Giuliani was charged with resisting an officer without violence and trespassing. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.